Hello, my name is Tiffany Wolf Smith. I am Assistant Curator of Education at the Modern Art Museum of Fort Worth, and this is Wonderful Wednesday's Docent Picks. Today we are taking a closer look at Andy Warhol's Campbell Soup Cans 1 from 1968. Andy Warhol famously appropriated familiar images from consumer and pop culture. In an earlier painting series, Warhol created 32 paintings of the widely consumed canned soup made by the Campbell Soup Company. When he first exhibited the paintings in 1962, they were displayed together on shelves, like soup cans in a grocery aisle. At the time, Campbell's sold 32 soup varieties, and Warhol painted each flavor. Warhol explained, saying, "I used to drink it. I used to have the same lunch every day. For 20 years, I guess, the same thing over and over again." This sense of repetition is evident in the later soup can works from the Moderns collection. Warhol used a commercial printmaking technique called serigraph, or photo silkscreen printing. The 1968 Soup Can Portfolio 1 contains 10 screen prints that correspond with the earlier paintings from 1962. And were one of the first portfolios to be published through Warhol's printmaking company, Factory Editions. The mechanical photo silkscreen process achieved flat color and hard lines, further mimicking the original can labels sourced directly from consumer advertising. The process would further erase any trace of the artist's hand and create a level of precision matching the design of real soup cans, and bringing to life Warhol's famous words, "I want to be a machine."